At the age of 14, I'll never forget this. My father, we had a couch in the airplane, and Dad would go back on the couch and, hey, your airplane, you go fly, talk to center. I'm only 14 years of age. Okay, Dad, he puts the headset on me, and the tail number was 112 Papa Bravo. And he says, just maintain your altitude, stay on this heading, and I'm going to go back and take a nap. I think we were going to Richmond or something like that. So I was with Washington Center, and then I had to go to Richmond. And here I am at the age of 14, flying the airplane, and Dad's back on the couch, sleeping. That was, I look back on that. I mean, he had such confidence, I don't know why, in me, and at the same time, it just how comfortable he felt in an airplane. My father built the ski resort first in 1965. And what had happened, he was flying in one day to his old landing strip on top of the hill. And I think it was in March. And back in the olden days, we had a lot of snow. And at that time, he was flying in, and he looked down off his left wing in the Cessna 195, and he saw a patch of snow still here where Revenue's Run is. Dad said, you know, I could build a ski resort here. And by doing so, seeing that little patch of snow, he realized, hey, because it faces perfect, west, northwest. And he ended up, my dad tells the story of going to over 55 banks trying to get a loan to figure out how he could finance this crazy thing. And so, as it turned out, a bank over in Charlottesville finally gave him the loan or the money that he needed to actually front the project. And also, my wonderful grandmother, she sold her IBM stock, and she said to my father, Pete, I'm going to give you my IBM stock. I think it was close to $500,000 at that time. My whole retirement, everything, I'm going to give to you, but only if you promise me that you're going to make it a year-round resort and it's going to be strictly family-oriented. And Dad promised that. And then he decided, okay, how am I going to market the whole ski area? And this is through aviation. And by building the airport, people would come in, and we'd have sometimes on the weekends, over 20 airplanes fly in. And back then, airport would be even dirt. People would fly in from all over the place to come here. And that's what I'm trying to stress here. It's how important this airport was to the development of the resort. And it was a passion not only for my father, but for the first people that came here, the naval aviators and the Army and the Air Force people who came here to retire because they loved the airport, and they'd bring their airplane. Back in the day, back in the 60s and 70s, on a weekend you'd see very easily 25 airplanes here flying in for the weekend to use the amenities, which we don't see now. But I promise you with all my heart, I will promote the hell out of this airport once I know it's repaved. This airport truly is a huge, huge asset to the resort.